Hi class! Welcome to Vegan 101 taught by Dherbs.com. Please remember to hit the subscribe button for notifications on all future content. A lot of people take supplements to meet their recommended daily intake, RDI, of vitamin C, but fresh fruits and vegetables are the best sources as they are naturally rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C assists with cell protection, maintaining healthy skin and blood vessels, and it encourages wound healing. The most notable benefit is that it helps to encourage a healthier immune system. Today, we're going to be covering vitamin C and how to get the proper amount on the vegan diet. Let's dive into the lesson. According to the FDA, the RDI of vitamin C is 90 milligrams for adult males and 75 milligrams for adult females. Take a look at the following 8 foods to make sure you always have enough vitamin C in the body. Number 1, kiwi. 1 cup of this tart fruit satisfies about 185% of the RDI of vitamin C. Most people don't typically eat a cup of kiwi though. Rather, they eat a single kiwi fruit, which has about 79% of the RDI of vitamin C. Number 2, strawberries. You can't have a list of vitamin C-rich foods and exclude strawberries. 1 cup of this classic summer berry delivers 108% of the RDI of vitamin C. In addition to the high vitamin C content, strawberries also contain folate, manganese, flavonoids, and other antioxidants. Studies have shown that antioxidants in strawberries may reduce the risk of cancer, dementia, and diabetes. Number 3, guava. Surprisingly, 1 cup of guava fruit offers 419% of the RDI of vitamin C. Guavas are tropical fruits that have a yellow or green skin with bright pink or white flesh. They help to promote hydration and may even assist with blood pressure and cholesterol reduction. Number 4, papaya. Papayas are beneficial for both assisting with optimal digestion and boosting immune function. Papaya offers 97% of the RDI of vitamin C per cup, and several studies revealed that they may also assist with brain function. Number 5, red bell peppers. Boasting an incredible 211% of the RDI of vitamin C per cup, red bell peppers are some of the best vitamin C foods. They're also rich in beta-carotene, which encourages healthier eyes, skin, and immune function. Number 6, kale. Kale is a superstar amongst produce items. Kale is a cruciferous vegetable that packs about 89% of the RDI of vitamin C per cup. If you eat a cup of cooked kale, it offers 59% because heat lessens the nutritional content. Kale is also rich in vitamin K and antioxidants like zeaxanthin, lutein, and carotenoids. Number 7, thyme. This aromatic herb offers wonderful depth of flavor to your meals. According to research, thyme has more vitamin C than oranges, comparing it gram for gram. 1 ounce of fresh thyme offers 50% of the RDI of vitamin C. Even if you only sprinkle a little on your meals at a time, you add some vitamin C to your day. Thyme is also beneficial for the respiratory system. Number 8, Brussels sprouts. When it comes to Brussels sprouts, people either love them or hate them. They're like the durian fruit in that way. They do, however, offer a diverse mix of nutrients, including vitamin C. 1 cup of cooked Brussels sprouts contains 107% of the RDI of vitamin C. Brussels sprouts also offer fiber, protein, phosphorus, magnesium, iron, and vitamin B6. Vitamin C is an essential part of your diet, and by following the vegan diet, you can consume the foods that provide essential RDI of vitamin C. That's all for today, students. Tune in next week for another lesson of Vegan 101, powered by Dherbs.com.